Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer XLT. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.